Hello, today we are going to make Little House on the Prairie's honey cornbread. And as a child, I remember reading Little House on the Prairie and always getting hungry when the book mentioned cornbread. And now that I can bake, let's try making this. The ingredients you need are cornmeal, sugar, flour, milk, 2 eggs, honey, butter, oil, baking powder, and salt. And the first step is to whisk together all the dry ingredients. And then make a well in the center of the dry mixture and pour in the 2 eggs along with the milk, the oil, and the melted butter. Let's not forget the honey because this is honey cornbread. And then stir it all together, preferably using a whisk and not a wooden spoon because a whisk will get rid of the lumps more easily. When the mixture is smooth and homogeneous, line an 8x8 inch square pan with parchment paper and then pour in the batter. And then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. When it comes out of the oven and it is golden brown like this, you can slice it into cubes so that it's easier to eat. And transfer them to a plate. They should be piping hot. And that's it! Enjoy your honey cornbread! These cornbread have a subtle honey flavor to them and they are very soft, moist, and fluffy. But if you want, then you can drizzle the top with even more honey. And once again, enjoy! Thanks for watching and subscribe!